Have you ever noticed someone who apologizes even when they did nothing wrong? They say sorry for asking questions, needing space, expressing an opinion, or simply being honest. But psychology says this behavior isn't random. It can reveal a lot about their confidence, emotional security, and past experiences. Let's break down the psychology behind people who apologize when they don't need to. 1. Fear of conflict. People who apologize excessively are often sensitive to tension. They may say sorry before anyone is even upset because they want to keep everyone comfortable. They may have learned that keeping everyone comfortable feels safer than expressing themselves. They're not always admitting fault. Sometimes they're simply trying to keep the peace. 2. Deep empathy. People who apologize quickly are often highly aware of other people's emotions. They notice changes in someone's mood and immediately wonder if they caused it. This makes them caring and considerate, but it can also make them take responsibility for feelings that aren't theirs. Their empathy can become stronger than their boundaries. 3. Approval seeking. Repeatedly saying sorry can be connected to people-pleasing. They don't apologize because they're always wrong. They apologize because being disliked or misunderstood feels uncomfortable. Over time, they may learn to make themselves smaller just to keep relationships peaceful. 4. Emotional insecurity. Constant apologizing can come from insecure self-esteem. They may question whether they're being too demanding or difficult, even when their needs are reasonable. Psychologists connect this with rejection sensitivity, where people become highly alert to signs of disapproval. They may not lack confidence, they may simply fear rejection. 5. Weak boundaries. When someone apologizes for everything, they can slowly lose touch with their own boundaries. They may apologize for saying no, taking time for themselves, or asking for respect. The deeper issue isn't the word sorry, it's the belief underneath it. They may feel responsible for keeping everyone comfortable, even when they're the one being hurt. So next time someone apologizes for something they didn't do, don't assume they're weak. They may simply be deeply empathetic and highly aware of others. Real emotional security begins when you understand that kindness doesn't require constant guilt. You can care about people without apologizing for having needs, and that's a quiet form of confidence. If you love understanding why people think and behave the way they do, hit subscribe, because here we don't just judge behavior, we decode the psychology behind it.